Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Step by Step Gate Preparation Simplified by Architect Shalu Mittal. Friends, this is my fourth video. In today's video, we will quick understand ecology and environment. To understand this, we will cover topic organisms, global warming, ozone depletion, urban heat island and also biosphere reserve in India in simple and clear points. Friends, only 4 months are left for the exam, so our strategy will be simple, quick revision of all the important topics and practice of previous year questions. Now directly coming to the topic, that is ecology and environment. Ecology is the study of relationship between living organisms and their surroundings. It tells us how plants, animals and humans interact with each other and with environment. Now what is environment? Environment includes all living and non-living things around us like air, water, soil, plants and animals. Environment provides the conditions necessary for life to exist and grow. Now coming to types of organisms. Those are autotrophs, heterotrophs and saprophytes. Now what are autotrophs? Autotrophs make their own food using sunlight or chemicals. Examples: green plants and algae. Heterotrophs depend on other organisms for food. Example: humans, animals. Saprophytes feed on dead and decaying matter. Example: fungi and bacteria. Now coming to the next topic, that is global warming. We will cover the points, the main causes of global warming, effects of global warming, their solution and the international efforts for the global warming. Now what is global warming? Global warming means rise in Earth's average temperature due to greenhouse gases. Major greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and water vapor. Main causes: burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, industrial emissions. Effects of global warming: melting of glaciers, rising sea levels, more extreme weather events. Now coming to the solutions. Use renewable energy resources, promote afforestation, reduce fossil fuel consumption. Now the international efforts for this: Kyoto Protocol that comes in 1997 to reduce greenhouse gases. Then the Paris Agreement which comes in 2015 to limit temperature rise below 2 degrees Celsius. Now coming to the next topic, that is ozone depletion. The ozone layer lies in the stratosphere and protect us from harmful UV rays. The ozone hole means thinning of this layer, especially over the polar regions, caused by chemicals called ozone depletion substances, that is ODS, mainly CFCs and the hydrocarbons used in old refrigerator and sprays. Important international efforts: Montreal Protocol, that is in 1987, banned ozone depleting substances. Then Vienna Convention created the framework for the ozone protection. Then Kigali Amendment that is in 2019 focused on reducing hydrofluorocarbons, which also trap heat and cause global warming. Now coming to the next topic, that is urban heat island. Urban areas are hotter than nearby rural areas. Can you tell the reason why? Because natural surfaces like grass and soil are replaced by concrete, asphalt and metal, which absorb and store heat. The temperature difference is higher at night since rural areas cools down faster. This effect is stronger when winds are weak. How can we reduce it? Use light, colored or reflective materials on the roofs and the pavements. create green roofs and more parks or the trees. Now coming to biosphere reserves in India. What are biosphere reserves? Large areas of the natural habitat that conserve biodiversity. They often include core zone, which are strictly protected. Buffer zone has limited human activity. Then the transition zone that has human settlements and the sustainable activities. These biosphere reserves are managed by state or central government. Some are recognized by UNESCO under the Man and Biosphere Program, that is MAB. Number of biosphere reserves total in India are 18. UNESCO recognized World Network is 12. These are marked with green star in the list. Now this is the list of major biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve, their biogeographic zone and the state, like Biosphere Reserve Nilgiri, Western Ghats, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. Now this is marked as green star. So this is UNESCO recognized. Okay. Similarly, you can go through the list I have made for you. You can also take the screenshot of this. Alright, now there is a previous year question based on this biosphere reserve. There was match question. Group 1 and Group 2 are given. In Group 1, Gulf of Mannar, Sundarbans, Nanda Devi and Nilgiri. PQRS, and you have to match it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Four options are given and you have to answer this question based on this list of major biosphere reserves. Alright. Now coming to the more previous year questions. First one is Ramsar list is related to, answer is wetlands. The Kyoto Protocol, that is in 2003, addressed the issue of, answer is greenhouse gases. EIA stands for, answer is environmental impact assessment. Interface of two ecological zones is termed as, answer is ecotone. CPCB is an organization which deals with, answer is pollution control. CPCB stands for Central Pollution Control Board. Now coming to sixth question, that is match question. PQRS, autotroph, heterotroph, chemotroph and the saprophytes. Answer is grass is autotroph. Q2, grasshopper is heterotroph. R1, nitrifying bacteria are chemotroph and fungus is a saprophyte. Alright. More questions. Again the match question. Group 1 is LCA, IPCC, M2 and LEAD. For answering this question, you must know the abbreviation of all this. LCA is life cycle assessment, IPCC is Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. M2 stands for the million or megatons of oil equivalent. LEED is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. Now the answer is P5, Q4, R3 and S1. You can check the answer. Okay, P5, Q4, 4 is climate change. 4 is climate change. IPCC is Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. So Q is connected with 4. So the answer is Q4. Okay. Like R is M2, that is equivalent measure of energy expended. And LEED is the certification system in leadership in energy and environmental design. So this is LEED is the building certification system. Now coming to the next question. The word bionomics refers to management of land, management of project, management of fund or management of life. Answer is D, that is management of life. Bionomics refers to comprehensive study of an organism and its relation to the environment. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and do write the answer of the question in comment section. And also if you have any doubts, please write in comment section below. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay motivated. Bye.